Hi friends, welcome to Eezytutorials. In this video, we are going to see more than 40 grains. It includes cereals, pulses and millets. What is this?
Split red gram or tur dal.
This is
Split Bengal gram.
very small and yellow color grains.
Moong Dal.
Orange is yellow grain.
Masoor dal or red lentil.
This is
Black gram or black legume.
this full white color round dal.
Urid dal.
When it is splitted,
Split black gram sabud.
this green color grains are
Green gram dal.
find this.
Cowpeas or black eyed beans.
This green color grains are
Green peas.
and find this.
Green chickpeas.
When it is in white sandal color, it is.
White chickpeas.
What is this brown color grain?
Black chana.
Find this type of beans.
Field beans or lima beans.
And this is.
Hyacinth beans.
Find this.
Broad beans.
These kidney shaped beans are.
Red kidney beans.
Very long beans. What is this?
Double beans.
This is a colorful bean. What is this?
Soya beans.
What are these seeds?
Flax seeds or linseed.
Very yummy yellow color food. What is this?
Corn or maize.
He is Mr. Nammalva. He has rediscovered many rice varieties. And this is.
Rice.
This is.
Red rice.
Guess this type of rice?
Palakkad mata rice.
And this is.
Brown rice.
Very aromatic. What is this?
Fragrant biryani rice.
This black color rice is.
Black rice.
Let us see some millets. This is.
Finger millet.
These are grown in cold places.
Wheat.
This is.
Pearl millet.
These small grains are.
Horse gram.
What are these seeds?
Sesame seeds.
Find this millet.
Kodo millet.
These small millets are.
Little millet.
Find this.
Barnyard millet.
And this millet is.
Foxtail millet.
Find this.
Rosso millet.
These grains when cooked becomes very large. What is this?
Barley.
Find this.
Quinoa.
This is.
Buckwheat.
And these grains are.
Oats.
If you know few more grains, you can post that in comment box. Hope you like this. Like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.